Okay, you guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I wanted to come and welcome back to my channel. And today I wanted to show you a simple hair tutorial, just a sleek back ponytail. I'm doing this for the people that's like don't have any wigs, don't have a lot of hair products at home, very minimum. You can do this with either store-bought hair bundles. I'm gonna show you two different ways that I'll do it. I'll do it with the store-bought hair and also leftover hair that I did from my last tutorial from my half up half down. If you haven't seen that video, it will be in the link below. Yeah, because I didn't have any other use for it, so I'm just trying to make use of it until I can't use it no more, basically. And yeah, so that's what I'll be showing you. So what I did was I did my ponytail offline because it was hard for me to do it the very first time, just from the camera. So what I did, I just parted down the middle, and I took all that with gel and pink lotion, and I just put it in a ponytail in the back. So this is where I'm at right now. And you don't have to put it in the back like I did. You could just put it to the side. You can do a high ponytail, low ponytail like I did, or to the side. So at this point, what I'm doing is just braiding my ponytail down. And it's just so simple and quick, y'all. I swear it is. Okay, so since the store-bought hair come with just two basically bundle halves, it's a whole bundle but it come in halves. So I'm gonna just take half of that and just roll, twist it around. And for this for video purposes only, I won't be securing the straight hair. I think I want to keep it curly, but we'll see. Hopefully I like it. I know I didn't like it when I did this type of store-bought hair in a bob. I didn't like it. But since this is a temporary style, nothing for longevity unless you got the right hair to use it and you secure it properly, then you can use it. But just for temporary, if you just want to just catch your interview or you go out somewhere classy, a sleek ponytail is always good. It's the next best thing to going in there with a wig. So alright, so what you do is just put your hair in a little bun, get a safety pin, put your hair in a bun and grab a bobby pin. Lord, damn safety pin. Alright, and you'll want to secure that so it just look like this. And with this, you just start off like this. And to secure your hair, you'll just take a nice size little piece like this, like I did here. And you just want to wrap that around first. And I do this temporarily because if it's not real human hair, because we got our premium blends for all those who know hair. If it's not real, then the ends will get really bulky and nasty and ugh. So what you want to do is every night take it out every night and then the remainder you just wrap around, back around. Yep, I'll take it out every night. Put it in a Ziploc storage bag. Keep the dirt off of it, and it'll look like this. Keep the dirt off of it. Alright, and look, that's it. So, to go, and the thing with this, you don't want to, you don't need a whole lot. Okay, so that's it as far as the hair. So look, we done. Okay, so now I'm gonna just show you an outfit that'll go appropriate with this look.